हेलो एंड वेलकम टू माय येलो टेबल। मेरे करियर की शुरुआत हुई थी साउथ ऑफ इंडिया से। आई स्टिल रिमेंबर आई वाज अबाउट 19 इयर्स ओल्ड और पहली दफ़ा जब मैं साउथ ऑफ इंडिया गया तो मेरा एक माइंडसेट था कि साउथ ऑफ इंडिया में सब इडली डोसा वड़ा सांबर बस यही खाते हैं। बट आई वाज प्लेजेंटली सरप्राइज्ड बिकॉज देयर वाज सो मच टू ईट, देयर वाज सो मच टू एक्सप्लोर। और आज का जो मेरा मेन्यू भी है वो साउथ इंडियन ही है। एंड आई गेस टुडे इज समवन हु शेयर्स सिमिलर पैशन। She started her career with modeling, turned into an actress, and then into a chef. Hi, Amrita.
Hello.
So nice to see you.
Lovely to be here.
I think we're meeting after some time. The last we met was at a party.
Yeah.
I've been watching you on television, and you carry that grace, and you come across as very pure the way you are. I like that about it. That resonates through your cooking or whatever that you do.
That's good. Thank you. It's a great compliment. And what do I say? I'm blushing.
So, as a kid, what was it that you always wanted to do or what always wanted to be?
Believe it or not, I didn't have a dream. People ask me, what was your hobby? And it used to be getting ready in front of the mirror and wearing my mom's sari and, putting makeup. So I am presuming that little, latent desire to be on screen was there. But I come from a small town. So there was no way on earth I'd imagined that I'll reach Bombay and I'll actually get into this field.
So what was your first break?
My first break actually happened in college. I was in Xavier's College. There was a modeling agency who had some models lined up for doing a show, and their models didn't show up.
Okay.
So they just caught cold. They saw this one group of giggly girls.
Yeah.
They got us on stage, took our number, called us for an audition, which none of us got the ad.
Yeah.
And then suddenly this big advertising agency spotted me, and I got my first big ad break. And then after that, it was a roller coaster from there.
What course were you doing in St. Xavier?
I was doing my BA, but with eco-commerce double major.
All right. So
Right, good.
of course. Not everybody is like me. I think we've had a great start with our conversations. Let's get on to the menu today. We're doing a tempered yogurt soup, like a dahi ka shorba, avocado and coconut loaded kothu parantha, and then we'll do a fruit paisam, which is very, very simple. So let's get cracking first. Let's do the kothu parantha because it's really long. Kothu parantha is a Malabar parantha, which is broken into small pieces, and then you make a nice curry and mix both of them along with some eggs.
Okay.
So let's start with the curry first. Okay, nice and hot. I'll use an onion first.
Do you have a really nice chef's knife which you've gone and invested in and stuff like that?
I've stopped doing that because, most often than not, what happens is that I get an equipment, I take it somewhere and I tend to forget it. So I've lost so many knives. It's like, forget it, I'm not buying because some knives can be really expensive.
Okay, you want me to help you with some chocolate?
Oh,
Although I did
actually,
think I will not get my hands dirty, but chalo, I'll help you. I think
I've got some garlic.
When you come to someone's show, then you have the advantage of being a bit la-di-da.
Really? So we've done the chopped onion, chopped ginger,
Right.
green chili. So we'll just start putting onto this palette. We've got some tomatoes.
Tell me, do you believe in taking out the seeds from the mirchi?
Well, अगर मुझे ज़्यादा
तीखा नहीं
स्पाइसी
चाहिए
लगती
तो।
है, जैसे बहुत तीखी है, तो एक डालिए। अगर मुझे लगेगा कि नहीं ये ज़्यादा हो रही है, I'll pull it out or maybe take out the seed.
जब मैं बच्चों के लिए बनाती हूँ, I like to add the green chilies because I love the flavor, but मैं वो बीज निकाल देती हूँ.
Okay, so we've got this. Now, थोड़ा सा oil. Why don't you
Which
come
one?
over and take over the pan?
Yes.
I keep adding.
Okay, take it.
So I'm adding some regular oil. I'm just adding a dried red chili.
Lovely.
इसके अंदर हम डालेंगे mustard. Some urad dal.
Urad dal, okay. I love the crispiness that comes because of the urad dal.
Yeah.
It's really nice.
Some
कपड़े
onions.
नहीं खराब होने चाहिए.
Some garlic. And some ginger. और उसके अंदर हम लोग डालेंगे कड़ी पत्ता.
South Indian food without curry patta तो possible ही नहीं है. I कराची जहाँ मैं बड़ी हुई हूँ, वहाँ जो हमारे नेबर्स हैं वो वेरी वेरी क्लोज टू मी, दे आर साउथ इंडियन, एक्चुअली कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ साउथ इंडियन एंड बंगाली. So I've grown up a lot with the South Indian and Bengali flavors, and they're both my very very special cuisines,
And close to your
very
heart.
close to my heart.
Okay, I'm adding turmeric.
Okay. Oh, I love your little masala boxes. Very cute
Thank you.
and different.
Red chili powder and coriander powder. On a low flame, I'm just stirring this.
Okay.
Masala bhun raha hai. All right. Now I'll add some tomatoes.
बहुत अच्छी खुशबू आ रही है मसालों की.
I have a feeling if it was in any part of India like idli, dosa, vada, sambar,
हाँ.
ये डिश भी उतनी पॉपुलर होगी, लोगों को पसंद आएगी because ये soul food है.
Yeah, it's
You know?
very satisfying. That's a nice word for it, soul food.
You pick up, make kothu paratha, TV के आके बैठ के बस आराम से, it's like simple food. So I know you're on the pan, so
Yeah,
in the
so-
meantime I'll get my machine for the dough.
Okay. Oh, nice.
So we can add some water. Yeah. We'll add some coconut milk.
Ah, right. Nice and creamy.
Beautiful. Nice, right?
Instantly amazing.
Now we can add a little bit of water ताकि सारे मसाले एक दूसरे में अच्छी तरीके से घुल जाएं. Alright. अब कोथू परांठे का दूसरा पार्ट जहाँ पर हम पराठा बनाएंगे. कोथू पराठा बनाने के लिए we've got मैदा. इसके अंदर हम डालेंगे नमक स्वाद अनुसार. इसके अंदर a good pinch of sugar. We'll just take this down और इसको हल्का सा मिक्स करेंगे.
अच्छा, tell me, अगर मैं इसमें हाफ मैदा मिलाती है, if I could have added some other flours in it, like नाचनी अगर डाल दिया, रागी का आटा, थोड़ा सा whole wheat, it would come out the same.
It will come out the same, but ये कि हम लोग मलाबार पराठे को ना घुमाकर
Yeah.
पीट कर फैलाएंगे. In that case, you can make like regular बेलन से because वो फैलेगा नहीं. Because at the end of the day, पराठे को तोड़ना ही है.
हाँ, तो तोड़ना ही है exactly. हाँ,
So it
we
doesn't
can-
matter. Alright, इसके अंदर अब हम मिल्क डालेंगे. इसका जो ये सॉस है या मसाला है, it's done. So let's turn this off.
Okay.
इसको एक कोने में रख देते हैं फिलहाल.
ठीक है.
और अब बनाते हैं हमारा पराठा.
आप इसे बेल के बनाओगे कि एकदम typical
पीट के.
पीट के? अरे वाह, I'll also watch that.
Alright, इसके अंदर हम थोड़ा सा ऑयल डालेंगे. And it's done. Alright, so
You don't need to feel
flour.
flour to.
नहीं, क्योंकि ये पराठा बहुत ज़्यादा तेल में बनेगा,
अच्छा.
तो इसके अंदर फ्लावर नहीं लगाएंगे. फ्लावर लगाएंगे तो पकने के बाद ना हाथ में सूखा मैदा आएगा.
Okay.
ओके, सो ये डो बन गया. अब इसके हम पेड़े बनाएंगे.
मैं हेल्प करूँ?
या श्योर, गो अहेड.
I love the way you throw it.
हल्का सा ऑयल का हाथ. राइट, इसको यहाँ पे रख देते हैं. थोड़ा सा रेस्ट करने देंगे सो दैट बेलने में आसानी हो. कोथू पराठे की सॉस, ये जो चिली है ज्यादा देर रहेगी तो उसको स्पाइसी करेगी. सो विल गेट रिड ऑफ द चिली.
Okay. आपको वैसे ज्यादा स्पाइसी खाना पसंद है कि नहीं?
आई लाइक स्पाइसी, बट मुझे वो रेड चिली वाला स्पाइसी नहीं, वो ग्रीन चिली वाला जिसके अंदर अच्छी महक होती है, फ्रेश ग्रीन चिली अलॉन्ग विद द फूड, वैसा स्पाइसी पसंद है. सो अब हम स्टार्ट करते हैं हमारा योगर्ट सूप. उसके लिए हमें चाहिए एक अनियन चॉप, very little onions, not many. Very little garlic, ginger. Tomato, very little, maybe a quarter of a tomato. Tiny bit of green chili. अब हम लोग थोड़ा योगर्ट बीट करेंगे. सो
ठीक है.
आप योगर्ट बीट करेंगे.
जरूर.
We'll whisk it. और इसके अंदर मैं 1 चम्मच बेसन का डाल रहा हूँ. वेरी लिटिल बेसन. ये अगर थोड़ा थिन भी होगा इट विल वर्क. इसके अंदर हम टर्मरिक डालेंगे और थोड़ी सी रेड चिली. Alright, I'll just get a pan. I'll take some oil.
It's done, right?
Yeah. नो लम्प बेसिकली।
lumps, yeah.
इसमें हम डालेंगे मस्टर्ड सीड थोड़े से, उसके बाद हींग, कड़ी पत्ता, एंड देन वील ऐड अनियंस, थोड़े से जो अनियंस हमने काटे थे। वील ऐड जिंजर, गार्लिक, almost together, lightly sauteed. Add the tomatoes, add the green chili, almost everything together. Perfect. अब इसके अंदर हम वो दही डालेंगे and we'll just make sure that we keep stirring it. डाल दीजिए, सारा डाल दीजिए। It's a very refreshing soup, very simple, good South Indian flavors. इसके अंदर अब मैं थोड़ा नमक डालूंगा and then we'll wait for a nice boil, 5 minutes, and we'll take it off the flame and the soup is ready.
अच्छा, इसमें अगर छोटे-छोटे सब्जियां काट के डाल दें, how would that be?
Fantastic. बहुत अच्छा।
Little beans, carrots, छोटे-छोटे काट
Whatever.
के। Becomes a nice, again, becomes a nice wholesome.
Yeah,
Soup.
it does. We can add some curry patta straight, like a sprig of curry patta or two, just straight without breaking, so that we can take them out. All right, the soup is ready. You want to taste, Amrita?
Yeah, I'd love
Check for
to.
salt. How's it?
Yummy. Lovely. Perfect. Everything
Nice
is
and
just
tart.
lovely. Yeah.
Beautiful. So, soup तैयार है. All right, so this is done. We'll use this as a serving tray.
Our tray.
All right,
we
a
do
bright
others.
yellow yogurt soup is ready for the yellow table, if you can. It's time for us to take a small break and come right back to my yellow table, where we'll finish Uttu Paratha and many more.